YouTube, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Get Money. This is Shamika doing another video on another lending platform that's about to go live tomorrow, Capital Expanse. Okay, and I want to say thank you for all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for 17 new subscribers. Thank you for tuning into my channel and following my journey in this crypto space. Okay, so let's go over Capital Expanse and make sure we have a game plan for them as well. This is their roadmap. They're pretty much almost on point. January the 30th, that is tomorrow. Today is January the 29th. All right, so we got, so you can see that January the 29th. Tomorrow is the 30th, and also on their Telegram, they also put a notice up here. This is from their chat, a recent chat. This is what they posted. Just want to share that with you. Please follow all these social media platforms because they give us updates on what's going on. Thank you for your patience while we've worked to improve the platform, working to correct some errors and balances and such. The ICO was a success. The coins were 25 cents on up with a maximum of 2,000, from 25 cents up to I think $1. All right. And please note all necessary calculations are the valuation of the Capx coin on lending and internal exchange launch. This change will have no major impact on the value of the coin. The lending will start at $5 per coin. All users who lend before February 16th will receive an airdrop of 1 bronze cap per Capx coin lend with a value of $1 per bronze cap. That's like a 1-for-1. And it says here, this means if you lend 5,000 Capx coins, you'll receive 5,000 bronze. But it's any amount. It doesn't mean it's 5,000. You can do 1,000 and you're gonna get 1,000 back, 2,000, whatever you have. Okay. And this is where the $5, and it was just saying basically, and this is going to start. It says right here, our lending program is set to begin on January 30th. So that's tomorrow. So that's why I'm putting up this date, just in case some people are in a lot of ICOs. You can't keep track of all of them because there is a lot. All right, so this is going to start at $5. So let's do some calculations, okay? And this is what they're saying the price is off a little bit according to their roadmap. It was supposed to be from $7 to $12 because some things had to change. They start off at $5, which is fine. The money is money, still a 20x on our money, okay? So let's go over here to our dashboard, and I got in at 25 cents, so you know it's all good. All right, so let's do some calculations and see where we're at and what kind of profit. So let's do some calculations and see where we're at in profit wise, okay? So do 5,000 coins times 25 cents. I spent $1,250 in Bitcoin, okay? And 5,000 coins times $5 a coin is 25 grand. All right, so I could just walk away, cash out, withdraw, and send that to my Coinbase, send that to my blockchain wallet, and send that over to Coinbase and put it into my checking account if I choose to. Okay, but my rule of thumb, this is just what my standard is, always take out my initial investment, which is $1,250. That leaves me 23,000. So then I'm also take out half because I need some of that investment to use for other ICOs. So I'm taking that $11,875, half of that's going over to Coinbase or to blockchain, my blockchain folio wallet, to wait for another ICO that I can invest in 1,000 in each platform. I put 1,000 in each platform, a lending platform or long-term platform. So now I have $11,875 of house money because this is what's left, the other half. Okay, now I'm gonna take this money and lend. Okay, now on their lending platform, they also have this 1.5 plus additional 15%. All right, according to their map here, to their lending terms, or their lending terms they have. Okay, so at that rate, we can assume we're gonna make close to $195 a day. That's what that come out to. I just want you to see their rates so you can see it for yourself. Right up in here. Okay, so I'll be somewhere in between this tier 4 bracket of lending, which would be 120 days, which has been my go-to number, 120 days, which is about 4 months. So You know, if they can stick around that long, that's awesome. Okay, but we don't care because it's our house money where it took out half our profits plus our initial investment, so we're not losing anything. So we're already winning. And that's what I want to show you. All right, and so you know it's really simple. So we take that times what 1.65, and this is up to 1.65 in interest. That's just up to. That's roughly $195 a day. So if you have, just say, 10 platforms that you're collecting $200 a day in. Did I do that right? No, hold on. It was 195 times 10, because you're doing this with 10 platforms. Okay. So a day you're collecting a day, you go into these platforms a day and roughly taking out $2,000 a day in these platforms, these 10 platforms. And this is all house money because you already got your hit when you took out half the money plus your initial investments. So every day you're taking out almost $2,000. So in 30 days, you have $60,000 a month in 30 days. In 30 days, you will withdraw out the system, all these 10 platforms, almost 60 grand. This is how you can create passive income in this space. I mean, you could buy a house with 60 grand. With 40 grand in some places, you can buy a house. 60 grand, you probably pay off a house. So this is the power of getting a hit in the ICO. And I just want to share that with you, okay? If you have any questions, comments, please leave a comment below. This starts tomorrow, like I said. The numbers don't lie, but people do, okay? And like I said, anytime this platform can close down and move up, shop, who cares? You got your initial investment out plus half of your hit if you decide to loan. And I also forgot to tell you that they're going to do an airdrop. Duh. I meant to tell you that. Yeah, they're also going to do an airdrop, which is stated in here on their Telegram group. I mean, what you can take with a grain of salt. I mean, but you know, hey, who knows? So your other half of your investment, that $11,875, you're going to times 2 on that. And you have a loan for $22,000 in this platform. So your takeout's going to be a little bit more. As long as you say you lend before the 16th, they're going to double your investment. So you're still winning on top of winning. So that's just my experience, and this is what my strategy is and what I'm planning on to do with my money. I'm not a financial advisor. I just want to share with you what I'm doing with my money and with these platforms, okay? And it's very lucrative. I hope you guys join me and on this space, and you can see tomorrow I'll do some real live, try to do some real live video footage of me doing my deposit, my withdrawals, and all that. My withdrawals rather, because I'm not depositing anything else into the platform. It's gonna let my money work for me. That's what it's all about, making that money. All right, you guys, thanks for subscribing to my channel, and stay tuned for the next video. Deuces.